It's pretty wild out here. So I took down all the radishes, and here are the sweet peppers. And
You hear a leak?
no, that's always how it sounds. It's okay when it starts. Okay, we got still a lot of lettuce over here, a lot of radishes. We got zucchini, and then I got my Anaheim peppers here as well, because the zucchini will peter out. In this tub, I got a lot of the sweet peppers, getting ready to be planted before I go on vacation. There's lettuce, and then there's a lot of other stuff down in here. Lettuce and Russian kale, arugula. And then over here, Bob just finished up with my drip system in these tubs. One of these is going to be baby watermelons and artichokes. And yeah, here's the tomato house where I get a lot of things going after the sunroom. And I still have the plastic around it. But inside here, I've got things like basil, all kinds of little pepper plants. Everything I grow is from seed. Flowers, a lot of peppers, different kind of peppers. Of course, tomatoes. I even have a baby watermelon in here that I think will like it in the heat. And then some tomatoes. And this year I'm not going to do exclusively tomatoes in this tomato house. I have my favorite Italian cucumbers over here that are already going. I have a lot of transplanting still to do, and I just transplanted a lot of tomatoes and peppers, and Bob has helped me out by putting holes in these old coffee jars, coffee cans, because I have run out of pots. And here is the sunshine. Yes, I do have a sunshade, and it's over here at I can just throw it over if I need to, if it gets too hot in here. So this is it. This is our garden. It's pretty crowded, and I've got a little sanctuary here where I keep these boys so they don't bother Bob when he's fixing my drip system. I got a lot of beautiful eating sage over here that's blooming. And the irises are still blooming a little, but it doesn't look like we're going to have peaches this year, and no apricots this year. But that's okay. We have other things going. I think we might have cherries. We got rhubarb, and I've got my favorite gooseberries. And over here, I got an apple tree. He bloomed quite a bit. He's a dwarf. And I got a lot of plums that bloomed quite a bit too. Let's see if we can get out. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, in the springtime, this is a wild place. So I still always grow dill for the butterflies because they come by and visit. And then I have some kohlrabi planted. And of course, my favorite zinnia. And the irises are petering out. But oh, this is that beautiful eating sage. It blooms so nicely. And this year, my new addition has been these sweet williams. I've actually been growing them, but last year they didn't bloom. Boy, and these have lasted a long time. So what do you see, Bentley? Are you having fun out here in the garden? Well, the roses are about hatted, and we have birds everywhere, but when I come through, they kind of scatter. So our plum tree has revived itself, and we have a lot of trees, Canadian cherries for the birds. Yes. And the apple trees are going to have a few, but it's better than being overrun. Pool is up and ready to go. And yes, grapes. After 12 years of this garden, we get lots of grapes. And it is quite a sanctuary. So this is kind of the runabout here. So the boys do enjoy it. Come on out here, boys. Well, it is what it is. Thank you.